right? So this is the result.
Yo, what's up, fam? Hey, it's your boy Snoop D-O double G here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the crew. Stay cool, stay tuned, and keep it real.
Guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the Kukoid text-to-speech model that allows you to take some voice, for example, this reference audio.
The Hispaniola was rolling scuppers under.
Then you can go ahead and pass it some text prompt for what you want the voice to actually say. Click on send here and then get this.
Hi there,
back.
I'm your new voice clone. Try your best to upload quality audio.
Right, so it sounds kind of similar to the actual voice we passed, and it says something which is absolutely different from the voice that we had. So you can take any voice, then pass it any text prompt that you want, just get the voice relatively closely saying what you passed it. This will be done absolutely free of cost, locally using Python. So without further ado, let's begin. I'll leave a link to this Huggingface hub space down below so you can test it out before you go ahead with all the trouble, but the actual installation process is super simple. Right, so all you gotta do is just head over to the TTS Github repository, and then in here you can go ahead and search for the installation section. They have a bunch of stuff here, but we actually are only interested in the pip install TTS. But 1 second before doing that, we're gonna go ahead and install Pytorch. So I leave a link to this below. Based on your computer, you can click on stuff here. For example, if you have a Windows, you gotta click on Windows, then CUDA if you have NVIDIA, or whatever graphic cards that you have. I have a Mac, so by default we can only run it on the CPU. And then you need to install it. So the installation process for macOS is relatively simple, especially for this one. We only need Torch, so it's gonna be pip install Torch. And then to verify it actually works, you're gonna go ahead and run this script. So for example, if you go here, you can see that we have this here, and by clicking on running it, we can see that we got an output which is correct, right? So this was just some random numbers, matrix of 3 by 5. And yeah, this validates that the Torch works. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and continue watching this video. And then all you gotta do is literally install the TTS package, and that's it, right? So for the requirements, I have TTS 0.21.3. Go ahead and install it. The command as of itself is pretty simple, right? It's just pip install. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. There are a lot of packages here. Same for the Torch. It probably should have taken like a good 5 to 10 minutes, in my opinion. And once you're done with that, we can go ahead and just start using the model. It's as easy as that, right? So before running the models, we want to see what models we can use, right? So we can import from the TTS the list models function. So it's going to take a couple of seconds to check the API. It's going to print all of the models which are publicly available. Now, a lot of these models are either trained on a specific voice, for example, of the EN stuff, or trained for English on specific versions and train sets, right? But if you go ahead here, you can see that we have a multi-data set stuff, which are mainly for basically taking any voice or audio, such as the one that we passed here, and then passing it some text that you want it to say, and then getting a result back. So, for example, if we go here into the inputs folder, we can hear some Snoop Dogg short.
When I got my star, my Walk of Fame.
Right? So this is like 56 seconds of Snoop Dogg just chatting on some short video from YouTube. And then if we take here a look on the code, so we're using a device. This is the CUDA if you have it available, or CPU if you don't. In my opinion, it will, in my case, it will run CPU because we're on a Mac. And then we need to pass the name of the model, so whatever you chose from here, and then just pass the text. So for example, the text I'm passing here was generated by our friend ChatGPT, of course. So it's just saying you all to subscribe. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure to do it now. And yeah, we're gonna pass the input, the path to the input. So for example, the input here is under the inputs folder, right? And an output folder to dump the audio to. Then you just click on run, It's gonna take a couple of seconds. Right, so about a minute later, you can see it says the processing time. Depending on your GPU, it might take longer or less time. We got back a result, right? So this is the result.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy Snoop D-O-double-G here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the crew. Stay cool, stay tuned, and keep it real.
Right, so this is kind of decent. It's not great. You can totally say and that you hear that this is a robotic voice, right? And the start of this was kind of weird with the EO or something like that. But keep in mind that all we did here was installing 2 packages. We haven't configured anything yet. This is what we're getting out of the box, and this is like a 12 seconds of speech which were generated, and all of this process took us like what, 5 minutes, 12 minutes. And so this is kind of insane in my opinion. You can then go ahead and just start using random voices, right? For example, we can use it with a Rick voice. So if we're gonna go here into the inputs,
Earth Rick C-137, the count.
we can then just go here and run the same script with some different text generated by ChatGPT, of course. We'll get something that sounds like this.
Marty, listen up. I need you, yes you, to smash that subscribe button now. It's not rocket science, it's just a click. But it means a universe of difference. Subscribe. Now let's get these adventures on the roll, Morty.
Right, so this kind of sounds like Rick. And keep in mind that I took some random clip that is not in the best preferences and I haven't tweaked anything yet. So you could probably do some great stuff with that, and I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comments below what you were able to pull out with it. But yeah, this is like the basic guide on how to install this. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. Make sure to smash the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.